Chegg.com, once a go-to platform for exam prep and homework help, is now cutting 22% of its workforce and may be sold or taken private. Major publishing companies like Dotdash Meredith, Business Insider, and Future plc are suddenly facing serious trouble. These are e-publishing companies, businesses that create, edit, and distribute digital assets, ebooks, articles, blogs, podcasts, and more. But something went terribly wrong. So wrong, they were forced to sue Google over its new AI overview. And if the verdict goes in their favor, it could redefine how we use the internet forever. On November 30th, 2022, OpenAI launched ChatGPT, a move that shook the global market. Its adoption was unprecedented. While Google took about 2 to 3 years from its 1998 launch to reach 100 million daily searches, ChatGPT hit 100 million monthly active users in just 2 months. This development provided users with the free 24-hour chatbot assistant capable of human-like conversation and comprehensive knowledge on various topics, including the ability to respond to follow-up questions. The rapid adoption of ChatGPT forced Google to ask a tough question. Could it lose its dominance in search traffic? The answer, at least for now, was no. Overall search volume did not drop. But internal Google documents revealed during antitrust trials showed something more telling. Executives believed it was inevitable that Google search would eventually lose traffic to AI tools. That realization sparked urgency inside Google, shaking the foundation of a business model built over decades. The rise of ChatGPT had a major impact on the publishing industry and regular web traffic. Publishers invest heavily in creating digital assets, market research, writing, editing, photo shoots, deployments, and more. But with ChatGPT able to generate similar assets instantly, fewer people felt the need to visit publishers' website. This drop in traffic led to fewer ad revenue and fewer subscribers. The one thing keeping them afloat, Google search, which at that time had not lost its traffic. Publishers still relied on Google to send visitors their way. But something was coming that would change everything. Google has acknowledged the need for a paradigm shift in how people access information. The company now believes that traditional search is becoming outdated and answers are the right norm. On May 14th, 2024, Google began rolling out AI overviews, effectively shifting its role from search engine to an answering engine. Now, users can type questions into the search bar and receive direct answers without needing to click through to any websites. This shift had serious consequences for the publishing industry. It's hard to believe that Google did not anticipate the impact AI overviews would have on traffic patterns and click threads. Google AI Overview scans publishers' web pages and uses publishers' digital assets to answer users' questions directly. As a result, users like you and me no longer need to visit the original websites. But that raises a big question. Is it even ethical? Imagine you own a bookstore. Your income depends on people buying your books, not reading them for free. You wouldn't let just anyone walk in, copy entire chapters, and distribute them, especially not for profit. Now imagine Google takes those same books, uses their content to answer customer questions, profit from it, and gives you nothing in return. If that would have happened in real world, we would call it theft. Is this any different? I will let you be the judge. This isn't just about what's right or wrong. It's about where the digital economy is headed. Right now, the balance of power is tilted. Big tech platform like Google call the shots. If Google continue to profit from digital assets without compensating the creators, it could lead to a serious backlash, lawsuits, regulations, or something bigger. It might even force the world to rethink how we value intellectual property in the age of AI. YouTube shares ad profits with creators, but Google search, it blocks traffic and gives creators nothing. Why? Because if they pay publishers, others might start asking for payment too. So they would rather cut it off here before it spreads. Chegg reported a decrease in non-subscriber traffic, down 49% in January 2025. Dotdash Meredith noted a 3% year-over-year decline in core user sessions. In May 2025, Business Insider announced layoff affecting 21% of staff. Reports indicate that Mail Online experienced lower click-through rates with a 56% drop. An entire industry is teetering on the edge of collapse. All because a trillion-dollar tech giant refused to pay their fair share. In February 2025, Chegg has filed a theft lawsuit against Google. Several major media organizations have publicly criticized Google's AI overviews. The News Media Alliance, representing over 2,000 publishers, has accused Google of using their digital assets without compensations, labeling the practice as theft. Google's response: they claim that compensating content creators involves technical and attribution complexities. Let that sink in. The same company solving how millions qubits can exist in superposition and entangle across quantum processors finds it too complex to figure out how to pay the people whose assets powers deal profit. Well, it's funny. If Google's unethical, what about software built to silence and even kill? Watch now.